What do you look for in a mower? Something powerful and dependable that'll give you a lawn to be proud of? Baumr-AG's 780SX certainly fits the bill. At its heart is an advanced and easy-starting 220cc engine. Powering through the grass will be a leisurely stroll thanks to the large wheels and self-propelled design. It features 7-stage central height adjustment, an easy-to-manoeuvre and tough 18-inch steel deck with bumper bar, plus a handy indicator shows when the catch is ready to empty. With 4-in-1 functionality, in addition to using the catcher as standard, you can also mulch to feed ultrafine clippings to your lawn. If it's just a short trim, you can use the side chute to return clippings, or if you're mowing along a path or garden bed, you can leave the chute on. And with CrossCut swing blades, you'll always end with a perfectly cut lawn that your neighbours will envy. So, what are you waiting for? Buy smart, buy a Baumr.